Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you everything you wanted to know about the BABYMONSTER members. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive news and life-changing content. So let's get it started. BABYMONSTER, BABYMONSTER, also known as BABYMON, is a 7-member girl group under YG Entertainment. The final lineup was announced on YouTube on May 11, 2023. The members of BABYMONSTER are Haram, Chiquita, Farida, Rora, Ayan, Asa, and Ruka. The group is expected to debut in 2023. Facts: number of members, 7 members, Haram, Chiquita, Farida, Rora, Ayan, Asa, Ruka Company, YG Entertainment 2023. 1. Chiquita. Maracha Fondacha Fafat, born February 17, 2009, better known as Chiquita, is a Thai K-pop idol. She is a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. Chiquita made her debut in 2023. Stage name: Chiquita. Full name: Maracha Fondacha Fafat. Native name: Ri Archa Fur Dacha Pifith. Birthday: February 17, 2009. Country of birth: Thailand. Position: vocalist. Machna. Height: zodiac: Aquarius. 2. Haram. Shin Haram, Sinhalam, born October 17, 2007, simply known as Haram, is a South Korean singer and a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut in 2023 at the age of 15. Stage name: Haram. Full name: Shin Haram. Native name: Sinhalam. Birthday: October 17, 2007. Country of birth: South Korea. Position: vocalist. Height: zodiac: Libra. 3. Ruka. Kawai Ruka, Hei Jing Lu Hua, born March 20, 2002, simply known as Ruka, is a Japanese dancer, rapper, and a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER under YG Entertainment. She made her debut in 2023 at the age of 20. Stage name: Ruka. Full name: Kawai Ruka. Native name: Hei Jing Lu Hua. Birthday: March 20, 2002. Country of birth: Japan. Position: dancer, rapper. Height: zodiac sign: Pisces. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.